In this video, we're going to build our bot step by step together and install it on MetaTrader. So make sure you watch until the end of the video. First, click on the Create Bot button. Then from the available markets, choose the one you want to build your bot for. In this example, we're going to start with Forex. In this step, choose your trading strategy. Here, we're going with multi-level. The next step is the entry strategy settings. If you're using the trial version, you'll only have one available option, and the rest of the strategies will be locked. In the premium version, you can choose different strategies based on their results and detailed explanations for each one. For now, continue with the default strategy and click Next. In these settings, choose your risk level. The risk levels are directly connected to how the bot calculates the lot size. For the bot configuration mode, I'll also keep it on default and move to the next step. Here, enable the news filter if you don't want the bot opening trades during important news events. In the AI decision step, you can turn it on or off. Basically, this creates a combination of technical strategy and fundamentals, so the bot's decisions won't rely only on the strategy itself. If you're using the trial version, this feature won't be active anyway, so just leave it turned off. Now, in the final step, choose a name for your bot. Allow the bot compilation process to start and wait for the download file to be ready. Then download the version that matches the broker account you're using. In this example, we're using MetaTrader 5. Now click on the Connect Account button, and on this page, copy the broker account number, where you want to install the bot, and connect it to your license. As you can see, the license is now successfully connected to the account number. All right, now copy the bot file you downloaded and install it on your MetaTrader. From the top menu, click on File Open Data folder. Then open the MQL5 folder. If you're using MetaTrader 4, it'll be MQL4 instead. After that, go into the Experts folder and paste your bot file there. Then close the folder. Next, inside the Navigator panel, if you can't see it, go to View Navigator. Right-click on Expert Advisors and click Refresh, so your bot appears in the list. Then go to Tools, then Options. Inside the Expert Advisors tab, make sure Allow Algorithmic Trading is enabled and also allow DLL imports. If you're using the News Filter feature, you also need to enable Allow Web Request. Then in this section, paste the full XAUBOT URL exactly as it's shown and click OK. Now turn on the Algo Trading button if it's disabled. In MetaTrader 4, this button is called Auto Trading. Next, from the Market Watch panel, select the currency pair you want the bot to trade and right-click on it. Then choose Chart Window to open the chart. After that, from the Navigator panel, double-click on your bot and the Settings window pops up. In the first tab, keep Allow DLL Imports enabled. Then in the Common tab, make sure Allow Algo Trading is checked. Inside the Inputs tab, which contains the bot settings, copy the license connected to your account number and paste it into the bot's license field. Now you can see that none of the elements are checked yet because it's currently news time. So temporarily disable the news filter to see what happens. Then click once again so the bot can reload the data. Sometimes it may take a little longer depending on the data speed. All right, now all the elements are checked except the strategy condition, which is completely normal. The strategy only gets checked when the bot actually finds a valid trade setup and enters a trade. Also, check the Experts tab to make sure there are no errors. If everything looks good, that means your bot is now live for trading. For the AI decision feature, you'll need a premium account. Now, if you want the multi-level bot to trade multiple pairs at the same time, go into the bot settings and find the trade symbols parameter. Here, enter the symbols exactly the same way they are written on your broker, separated by commas. Then set the maximum number of pairs the bot can trade simultaneously to 2, or any number you want, depending on your leverage and capital. You can also change your bot's risk level from here anytime you want, for example, from low to medium, without creating a new bot. Then click OK. Now you can see the 4 currency pairs displayed here. All requirements are met, and now the bot is just waiting for the right trading opportunity to enter a trade. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.